What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video in which I quickly wanted to do an analysis and a video on Woo. We'll spend the majority of the video talking about Woo, the token, because that has been very bullish since the 21st, so for the last 5 days. Broke out of some ranges, got a major bullish breakout right here as well above like 20 and 20.5 cents, which is a major key level, which historically, if it broke above that, it rallied higher than what it rallied right now. Right now, Woo got to 22 cents. Historically, it has always rallied towards that 24 cents area. So we'll talk about whether that's still a possibility and that therefore there's an opportunity with Woo right now. But apart from that, what we will also do is I also wanted to introduce WooX, all right? Because, I mean, most of you know Woo, it's a token, all right? It's been around for a long time, but it's also a project. And what they have right now is their own centralized exchange. And it actually is a great exchange to use, all right? I'm affiliated with them right now. They reached out to me and I said, you know what, I'll give the platform a try. And I really like the platform. And the fees are also very, very low if you stake Woo tokens. And right now, you can actually get a great reward on those Woo tokens. And I think it's a great long-term hold as well, all right? So that's interesting. But apart from that, like I said, it's also a great platform to use. You can just do trading on perpetual futures, use leverage on here with low fees, like I said, but we'll still get back to that a little bit later. And you can also just buy crypto. I mean, they have, like I said, they have futures, but you can also just buy normally on the exchange. Basically, it's a great centralized exchange. It has a great user interface. I really think so, and it's working well. So I would definitely recommend you to check it out. Right now, they also have a competition going on that if you post your P&L card like this one, you can actually win, or 10 people can win $250 in Woo tokens. So if you like the Woo token and you actually think it's going to increase in price more in the short term, why not buy it on WooX and stake it at the same time? Because here you can see you can stake it, and the more you stake, the more or the less fees you actually pay. And at some point, like if you have 500,000 Woo, which is a lot of Woo, you actually have no fees at all, only 0.01% taker fees. So not only is it a great exchange, but it's also a great way to actually earn rewards on your Woo, and then at the same point of time pay almost no fees on your trading. All right, so check that out. I'll leave links down in the description and the pinned comment. But for now, let's actually and here you can see it if you want to see all of the tiers. But now let's actually get into the Woo token. So Woo token, like I said, has been bullish for a while. It's struggling a little bit with 21 cents right now, as you can see, but that really, like historically, that's not that strong of a level. It was a bit of a support level right here in July, but usually it's more around like 20.5 cents, which is a bit of a weird level. I mean, usually it's like 20 cents that does very well. But all right, doesn't matter. So now the most likely scenario in my eyes, purely technically, is that it will continue because it broke above 20.5 cents. It's struggling a little bit, like I said, with that 22 cents area, but that's nowhere as strong as the support Woo broke above. Apart from that, you can see right here that the momentum for Woo has been decreasing for the last, here we'll reset it, has been decreasing since Tuesday, so that's not great. But over the last 2 weeks, it's still fairly high. The volume is still very high, so there still is momentum in the price, and technically it's still bullish. All right, so I would expect it. I would say the most likely scenario is that Woo will eventually break above 22 cents and then get towards the next major resistance level, which is, like I said, if we're going to be precise, it's between 23 and 24.5 cents. So that's the main price target I have. I would say 24 cents is the best target if you want to, if you will buy Woo, which I haven't done yet. I'm waiting for more bullish confirmation. But 24 cents or just below that, I think would be a great first price target. So that's what I expect. I mean, in the end, what is true is that Woo is very correlated with Bitcoin, especially on the short term. So Woo's moves are going to be reliant on Bitcoin. All right, and if Bitcoin right now dumps and retraces all the way down to 32,500, Woo is going to have a tough time. All right, and Woo will probably retrace all the way to 20 and 19.5 cents. As long as that holds, it could still rally up again later on. But if that breaks, like if Bitcoin dumps down a lot and Woo drops down below 20 cents, then it's not going to get to 24 cents. All right, so then the whole analysis is invalidated. We'll see how that goes. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. Keep an eye on Woo. If you do have any questions about WooX, how to use it, how to stake Woo on there, etc., let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.